Hi friends, so today I'm going to make is this ceramic elephant. This elephant, I painted it already, like the base coat, and I did it with this Decoart gold paint. This is matte gold paint. This is just a primer, and now on top of it I'm going to do another gold paint. Okay, so I have taken this gold paint for painting the top of the elephant. Okay, so I'm done with this elephant gold color, and next what I'm going to do is I have cut this strip, like mirroring the top of it like this. Okay, and because I want to place it here, so I have cut this strip out of the foam. Now still so I painted this. I have painted the sides also. You will paint these corners also, because when you will paste it, these will be visible. So they must be painted, and I'm just painting with the gold. See, now I will tell you then how this is dried, and I will show you how it will look like on the top of it. I will glue it here, okay, and we'll prepare this one. So for this I have my broken earrings, which I will put them here and see if I will put it here, how will it look. See, it's giving it a traditional handicraft look. And what I'm going to do is I got this from Dollar Tree, this one, and I've cut these two strips measuring according to the center. This one, the strip. Okay, so I will place them here in the center, and we'll glue all these. I will glue these first. We'll color it gold only, and I will put this on top of it, and it will hang. And I have these mirrors which I will glue here on the corners. So if you can see, it will look like sort of this kind of, and it will all go on top of it, and I will glue it. So let's prepare with this strip. So I have stuck this also with the glue gun here, and it looks like this as of now. Let us see on the elephant. It will look like this. So this is the final product. I glued this on top of it, and glued this embellishment here, glued some mirrors and stones here, and then I got this, I glued it here, and like this. This is also from Dollar Tree. I glued it here and done. So with the old Rakhi and earrings, broken earrings, mirrors and studs, and this foam, I got to make this beautiful elephant. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Bye.